Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to create an account on Epic Games. So let's start. So first let's go to epicgames.com. Now we are here. Now let's go to the right side and you can find that says sign in. So let's click there. And as you can see, well, if you sign, you have to write your email address or password in case that you are now registered. But if you don't have an account, let's go to this part that says create an account. Just click there. Let's wait. And you have to write here your birthday. So for example, let's press this one and then just press continue. Let's wait. And here where you have to write your country, your email address. Now if you want news, just press this one, or if in case you don't want, just don't select this. Now you read everything and then continue. Now let's wait. If you want to save the password, you can do it. Okay. And now for complete this setup, let's verify our account. Now let's go to Gmail. And here appears the verification number. You can write it. And then verify email. As you can check, we create an account on Epic Games very easy. So now you can see that I'm signing, and now I can use Epic Games without any problem. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.